In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bullet point color in PowerPoint. This is a great way to add a customized touch to your presentations and make them more visually appealing. So, whether you're working on a school project, a work presentation, or just want to spice up your slides, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have it installed and ready to go, as this tutorial focuses on steps within the software. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, go ahead and open the PowerPoint presentation you want to edit. This might be an existing project or a new one you're working on. Navigate to the specific slide that contains the text with the bullet points you want to change. Identifying the right area will ensure you apply your changes correctly. Next, click on the text containing the bullets. It's important to select the text box or specific section with the bullets you wish to modify. This will allow you to access formatting tools specifically for that section. Now direct your attention to the top of the screen and locate the Home tab on the PowerPoint toolbar. The Home tab contains a variety of options for editing and formatting your text, including bullet points. Once you're in the Home tab, look for the bullet drop-down menu. This menu is typically represented by an icon of 3 bullets in a drop-down list. Clicking on this icon will open a new set of options specifically for bullets and numbering. These options allow you to customize the appearance of your bullet points, making sure they stand out the way you want. Now it's time to change the color. After opening the bullet drop-down, you should see an option labeled color or something similar. Click on this option to reveal a palette of colors. Here you have the freedom to choose whichever color suits your theme or preference. You can go for a bold red, a subtle grey, or any color that complements your presentation. Clicking on your desired color will apply the change instantly, and you'll see your bullet points update right away on the slide. Remember, you can always preview your changes and adjust accordingly if needed. Sometimes experimenting with a few different options can result in the perfect color combination for your presentation's overall aesthetic. And that's it. You've successfully changed the bullet point color in PowerPoint. These tweaks not only make your presentation more personalized, but also more engaging for your audience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore more formatting options in PowerPoint to enhance your slides further. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.